What's up, traders? My name is John, and I'm in a trade at the moment. We are going to see how it goes. I'm expecting a big push, new highs, and we'll see how it goes from here. At this point, this market's been pretty strong on the rally side, so hopefully we continue to go that direction, but you never know. The market could change on a dime. I fully expect to add to my position as it comes down if it goes against me. My goal in this trade currently is to scalp a little bit and just see what the market gives us. I don't think we're going to go any lower than where we are now. I might move my stop to the bottom of this red low candle here, but I'm just going to manage the trade and see what I can get out of it. For now, we're just going to sit back and watch. I know these highs up here should be broken. We've rallied up. We had a nice little pullback, and I'm hoping that we can push further higher. I'm going to add into my position here. I have a large buffer, so we'll be all right. I know we have about 2,000 in buffer, give or take. This is a 50K Tradeify eval. Trying to pass it today. I want to have several evals or several funded accounts ready to go. The market has been rallying so hard. Just gonna keep adding into my position. Not looking very good, is it? Let's add some more. I mean, I fully expect a nice little pullback. It could go against us. We could lose this trade, but see how we go, how we fare. I'm not thinking that we will. Seems to me that it wants to go up. We're sticking close to the 9 EMA here, but we're well above the 21 EMA. All right, we're hitting over 1,000, so start looking to take some of my profits, or if I get a good candle, I don't know, I like that long wick. Yeah, I think we can push higher. I'm gonna start taking some profits here though. All right, so I'm in a long position, 10 contracts. I dollar cost averaged. I'm waiting for the pump back up to new highs. Trying to get this take profit trader account halfway past. This is day one for this account, I believe. Which one is this? Yeah, this is day one for this account. I'm hoping to hit about 4,000 and some change on this trade. I might start locking in some profits. It's struggling a little more than I would want. Once we break my line here, whoa, there we go. Nice, beautiful, smooth, the way we like it. We made $3,000 on that trade. Now I'm gonna move to a different. I've got my funded at the top. Let's see. I don't want to trade funded right now. I'm trading evals because of the volatility. I'm gonna go to my take profit at 244. Just buy one contract for now and scale in just like I did a moment ago.
Order filled.
This one is already at like $2,000 today, so I'm looking at making another $2,000, and we will almost have this eval passed. Market's been pumping crazy. Let's fix my stop. Look at that. That's nuts. I was collecting all the way up. I was watching another live stream and people are shorting like every chance they get. It's like catching a falling knife. Why? It's insane. This is a take profit 150K, by the way. So no, this is actually a 50K. No, it's a 150K. I'm in a trade on my Tradeify also. Scale in, tighten up stop loss, stretch out the screen so I can see it a little better. I'm gonna set my take profit to break even close to it here shortly. The pump isn't moving like I would like for it to. Let's go ahead and set it into the green, trail it nice and tight. Alright. I'm in another trade. I'm gonna Tradeify here. This is just micros. I'm gonna stay in for just a little while longer and see what happens. We're up $700 on that account for the day, and I think I'm gonna buy the next dip here. Well, I missed it. Can I get in?
Order filled.
I'd like to get in a couple contracts. Maybe it'll hit about right here. Let's see. I think we're gonna break these highs. In fact, I'm pretty positive we are, so. Man, I missed my opportunity. That's okay, we can scale in if we need to. You don't want to do it too early because, so typically I like to start with one contract and then I'll eventually be in on another contract. But the goal to do that is you have to have a nice little rally, and we've got that. So confluence number one, it's taken care of. Number two is we're buying a dip. The market wants to retest these highs, and we're gonna let it. So I'm gonna scale into this.
Order filled.
Get rid of this. Well, we can add it up here. Let it take it out if it can. There we go. Now I'm going to get my stop loss ready to take profit. We're going to move it to just above break even. Stretch it out. Now I'm going to move it up a little higher since we're kind of rallying up to these highs. I want to see it pump hard. We're up $500 on both. Beautiful moves. Let's keep it going. Take it to the bottom of this candle. Let's see if we can get some more squeeze out of it. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This trade right here is still doing good as well. I'm going to bring this to the bottom of that candle. Who said you can't make money on micros? You can definitely make money on micros. I'm going to trail it pretty tight. Let's go ahead and get out. We're all set. This is the 5-minute chart. I trade on the 5-minute and the 2-minute. Now we're going to get ready to buy another dip here. So let's go ahead and get in one contract. We're going to take out these highs 100%. question is when.
Order submitted.
You don't want to get too much in size because it could take out your profits and hit your stop loss and all that good stuff. So manage your trade well and you'll do well. I'm going to go ahead and buy another
Order filled.
contract just in case we sweep high. These trades are doing really well. Go ahead and take out that. Let's get it. Go ahead and take it out myself. Cancel.
Order canceled.
All right, we're 3 contracts long. Now we just watch this dip. I think we're gonna go for our new highs here. I might have gotten in a little too early on the 3 contracts here, but that's okay. We'll buy another one and make it lower. Plus, I'm up $3,000 on this account anyway, so kind of at our max. This one's 244. This is a 2-day trader. I've already
Order filled.
put that. I've already made the first day's profit. We're up to 155.3 at the moment. Oh no. As long as we continue to reject, we'll be all right here. Might add into it here. Once we break the line here, I'll add in.
Order filled.
All right, she's pushing. We're 5 contracts north. Pushing hard. It's going to be a good trade, guys. I'm going to go ahead and start taking profits.
Order filled.
And I'm buying on another chart. Nice. Let's go ahead and get our $1,000.
Stop
All
filled.
right. Made like $900 on that trade. We've won trades back to back, several $1,000s. And you can see the results here. I'm going to go ahead and buy some more on this because I feel like we're going to continue to rally.
Order filled.
I could be wrong, but I'm going to put my stop loss just below this candle wick. The most recent
Order submitted.
candle. Let me get it over here so you can see. We'll change that to 12. All right, I'm going to buy a few more. Now let's go ahead and buy like 5 more. Oops.
Order filled.
This is slightly a risky trade, but I think we'll do well. I'm gonna move it over to this one here. Which one is it? 27. We're a mini. I like trading on Ninja Trader anyway. A lot better. I'm gonna switch this one over to NQ. Maybe take a couple trades.
Order filled.
We're definitely going to sweep these highs. There's no doubt about it, in my opinion. And we've already broke the highs candle body wise, but the market's going to continue to rally. It's only a matter of time. This is the 1 day past Tradeify 50K account that I'm trading here. So if we can pass this, I'll have 3 funded Tradeifys. My goal is 5 at the moment. I did blow one yesterday, so the one you see it up here, number 6. I had 5 days left to pay out. I traded FOMC and I made a mistake. I didn't mean to do it this way. I have so many accounts, and I'm trading back and forth between two charts, and my ATM was way off. I shouldn't have done that. I really made a mistake. I should have checked it, but I didn't. And we're not moving as quickly as I'd like to, so I'm going to get out if it goes below here. So let's go ahead and move our stop loss to about right here. I think we're still going to hit those highs, but I just want to mitigate risk. That's my only concern at this point. I've made so much money in the market today, I don't want to lose it. I don't want to give it back. So, the goal is to make money, not lose it, or give it back. So, come on, rip up. Rip up. Another, come on, yes.
Order filled.
Another rip. We made 320 on this account too. I'm going to go ahead and we might stay in a little bit.
Order submitted.
I'll trail my stop a little bit here. That way we take some of our profits. I don't want to lose them.
Order filled.
All right, we're up quite a bit. Thank you, Trump. Trump daddy. That's what my wife says. Trump daddy. And it's still ripping. Holy cow. Let's get in one more time on this NQ here. I'll set my stop to below here. This is kind of a risky trade. We're at the top, so in my opinion, it could start tanking down at any moment, and I don't want to risk too much of my profits. Being a good trader is all about risk, and you're gonna make mistakes. It's part of trading, but the goal is to make less mistakes and trade with everything in you. See, I lost that trade. I figured it was risky. I mean, we are at the top, and I could have waited, but I didn't. I just wanted to be a part of the big move because of the rally that we just had on these two candles here.